Sure, it's time to decompress. This is for me. Ooh. Hey y'all, we made it safely home. The plane ride was just, woo. The plane ride was like, oh my god, man. Like, it was storming, it was lightning. It was lightning and storming while we was on the plane. And when I tell you I was so scared, I was like, like I was doing my deep breaths. I was breathing in and out, in and out, in and out. And I tell you, that plane ride was rocky. The whole plane ride was rocky. It was really, really, really freaking rocky. The whole plane ride was just rocky, 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 rocky. Like, it was so rocky. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was so rocky. Like, what the? I was over there praying. That lady was laughing at me. Tell me why one of the ladies, she was like, that white lady, when we had got off the plane, she was like, I thought it was fun. You thought it was fun? Bitch, we was finna die. Let me stop. She said, I thought it was fun. You thought it was fun? To be rocking in the sky? We was rocking. It was like, it was storming so bad. It was storming. It was lightning in the sky. I had recorded it. I recorded it. I recorded lightning and stuff. And I tell you, it was like, Lord have mercy. It was just tragic. It just seemed like I was the only one scared. Because my husband, he wasn't scared. And he said he wasn't scared. So, he said he wasn't scared. So, or whatever. So, hey. Child, I was scared though, man. I ain't gonna lie. Scared than a bitch. I was breathing in and out, breathing in and out, breathing in and out. I was like, God, please get us back home safely. God, please get us back home safely. I didn't know I was that loud. That white lady was laughing at me. I told her so scared. She said, yeah, I know. She said, I hear you. And then at one point, I had asked the people on the plane, well, you know, just the people. I was like, what I had asked. I hope y'all didn't see my titty. If you saw my titty, please comment and let me know so I can delete this. But I was like, y'all, what's going on? Like, why is I'm asking them what's going on? They can't tell me what's going on. They the passengers just like me. Did I say it right? Passengers? Yeah. They the passengers just like me. So how they gonna tell, how, like, how I'm gonna sit there and ask them what's going on? I mean, yeah, I was like, y'all, what going on? Like, I was trying to figure it out. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I done changed my clothes. I'm gonna wait till about an hour from now, and then I'm gonna take my shower. But I just had to change clothes and just rest for a little while because I haven't really got no sleep. And then I'm going to take me a shower like an hour from now. That's what I'm going to do. But right now, I'm finna go rest and eat. I'm fucking hungry, bitch. Like, the only fucking meal I had is in that suitcase right now. Not suitcase, but bag. But in order for me to eat, I have to be comfortable. So, I took my clothes off so I can go eat and get comfortable and rest. And then I'm going to take me a shower an hour from now. Because I know what y'all thinking. This bitch done changed her clothes and she didn't take a shower. Yeah, because I got to go eat. I haven't eaten. The food that we bought at the airport, I didn't eat it. Because what the fuck? The reason why I didn't eat it is because I had lost my phone. But we ended up finding it. And then the place closed down. The restaurant had closed down. So I was like, the restaurant closed down at 5:30. So I couldn't finish eating. And then we just went to go check our bags and stuff. My husband didn't give me time to sit down and eat. We just went on and checked our bags and fucking pissed me off, man. So I'm fucking hungry, man. I'm finna go eat, bitch. I can't take no shower while this fucking hungry, because the breakfast that we had got for free from the hotel, I couldn't eat it because I knew we was filming today. So I was kind of like, not nervous, but kind of like a little pre-nervous, I guess. I don't know, because I knew we was filming today. We had to film for our show. So I was like, well, bitch, you can't eat all this breakfast. So I just like a few bites. I'm mad. That breakfast was good as hell, too, man. I'm like really mad right now. But yeah. But, I'll be back on here in a little bit. I'm finna get off in about 3 more minutes, because I'm about to call and check up on my children and see how they doing. It's 10:01. They probably asleep. Larry, text your mama and ask her if the children asleep. You heard me? Because I want to call my babies. I fucking miss them. I really do miss them, man. I really do miss my babies. Y'all, this doggone film show. For this show, they did my edges a little bit, and then they put some makeup on me. I haven't worn makeup in years. Most of it came off my face, as you can see. They had put the little lipstick stuff on me, whatever it's called. And they said that this right here, when you do like from right here to right here, they said that's called mascara, I think. And then she asked me that I want to put on lashes. You know, I always say I'll never fucking put on lashes. Never in my life. But look, a bitch done put on lashes. Lord. But I don't know how to take them off. So somebody comment right now and tell me how to take them off. I don't know how to take these lashes off. Like, what do I do? Like, she said something about you can sleep in the lashes. I feel like if I sleep in them, I feel like my eyes gonna be glued together. I mean, the lashes gonna be glued to my eyes. Y'all. Oh, I feel weird though, man. She said take them off after 24 hours, but I want to take them off now. But how do I fucking take them off? I always said I'll never put on lashes because I'm just scared. I'm like really scared. I don't know how to take them off though, man. I guess you just peel them off. Yeah. I'm gonna take them off in the morning now. Wait till the morning. There's a little piece of glue on the side. Oh. I fell asleep. I ain't gonna lie, man. I was falling asleep. Why y'all ain't wake me up? I'm sitting here pissing. Next time you know I'm like this. I'm so sleepy. I didn't get all my sleep. I had went to sleep late in the hotel and then woke up early. I mean real early because I wanted to get breakfast. But I didn't end up eating all my breakfast, so I don't know. Y'all, I shaved before we went on our trip, our plane trip yesterday. I shaved one of my arms. So I feel really good that I shaved. Oh, it's not dark no more. Yeah, because when I tell you, I've been putting some of my product on my arm. I put my product on my arm for I think like 2 weeks. And now my arm is like, it's not dark. When I tell you, under my arms was as dark as my eyebrows. From like shaving. It had got real dark. I started putting my product up under my arms. And look at it now. It is not dark. What the fuck? Like, I've been putting my product on my arm for 1 week. It was this dark. Now it's, what the fuck? And I ain't been checking. Because I just shaved 2 nights ago. Right before, the night before we went on our trip. And look, it's not dark anymore. Let's see. It looked like about a night. It got dark from the shaving. And I put my product on it. It's pretty good. Y'all want to see me dance? Okay. I'm gonna go play the game. So if y'all want to see me play the game, then you know. So I'll be back on here in about 20 minutes. Cause I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna stream through the game, through the video game, and then just go live on the video game. So I'll see y'all later. Yeah. I just want to stream on the video game. Y'all freaking help me take these freaking lashes off. Like, I don't know how to do them. Like, do you supposed to just snatch them off or what, man? Because I don't know, man. Like, like, I already don't got no eyelashes. Like, do you supposed to snatch them off or what? It's like freaking hanging, man. What the fuck? Y'all help me, man. Like, it's literally hanging. Like, look at that. Oh, I don't want to poke myself in the eye, man. Like, do I just like? What's up with the way my eye? So do I just pull it on off, man? Because I don't know. Oh, yeah, I did it. So I took these out. Let me see. I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know. But I know I snatched some of my eyelashes out. I know I did. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, what the fuck? So like, they put some eyelashes on me today for the first time, and she didn't tell me how to take them off. She just said take them off after 24 hours. It been like almost 12 hours. So I'm just gonna take them off now, cause I ain't gonna feel like taking them off in the morning. I ain't gonna lie, like I might leave this one on. I don't know, man. This one glued on good. Like, I don't know what to do, man. Look at the difference. You know, eyelash refill right here, but then this one is long. It's crazy. Like, look at that, man. Okay. Damn. Y'all please help me. Like, I need help right now. Like, I'm trying to remove these lashes. These are like, this is my first time wearing lashes. My first time ever wearing lashes. And my first time ever wearing makeup. Well, no, this is probably my third time wearing makeup. But anyways, I took one lash off. I snatched them off. So, like, this one was loose. That's why, like, I was able to snatch it off, because it was loose. Or whatever. So, yeah. Pretty much loose. But, the other one, this one right here, like, I don't know how to take it off, man. Like, this one you can't really snatch because, you can't really snatch it because, like, if you snatch it, like, it just seems like my real eyelash is gonna come off. Like, she glued it down good. Oh, bitch. This shit hurt, man. I'm never gonna be a girl again. Next time I play on the show, I'm gonna be like, look, I ain't wearing no lashes, I ain't wearing no makeup, I ain't wearing no nothing at all. Like, I can't do it, I'm not gonna do it. I told myself I've never in my life wear lashes. Cause who the fuck does it? Who the fuck wear fake lashes? So, like, seriously. Y'all, fucking help me! Don't just stand there, help me! Fucking help me. I need y'all to fucking help me. Somebody clicked off because they don't want to help me. Fucking help me, bitch. Like, I'm fucking struggling. Like, why is you clicking on the fucking live, hoe? If you're not gonna motherfucking help me, bitch. Help me. Help me, please. If y'all not gonna freaking help me, like, right now, don't click on this motherfucking live. Yeah, man. And I don't like how y'all liking and commenting on my shit. But when I post organic butter love, you bitches ain't nowhere to be found. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Fuck. Like, I ain't playing no motherfucking games. Y'all bitches see and y'all don't see. You see and you don't fucking see. I don't like that about y'all. Y'all fucking see and you don't fucking see, bitch. Damn, man, how the fuck? I look retarded, man. Like, what the fuck? Sorry for using that R word. I don't like using the R word at all, man. No. Bitch. Okay, man. I ain't gonna have no fucking eyelashes. I ain't doing this stupid shit no more. You bitches that wear eyelashes, y'all fucking dumb. Let me stop. I'm just playing. Cause what the fuck, bro? Like, you can rip your whole shit out. I already don't got no fucking eyelashes, bro. Like, don't do that. Oh, bitch. Oh, man. Like, I'm trying to see, like, if I can, like, I was trying to, like, not really soak them, but I was, like, trying to put the little warm, like, the little wet rag right here. The water cold. I'm trying to let it get warm. Let me let it get warm. I don't know, man. Oh, man. I ain't gonna have no fucking eyelashes. Water still cold. I don't worry about it. I just like soak it a little bit on. Oh, come on. It sounds like I said suck it a little bit. I said soak it a little bit. Oh, bitch. Okay. Yeah, I can't believe we almost fell out the sky when we was on the airplane. It was so scary because it was storming. It was storming really bad. It was storming and lightning, so the plane was like rocking. It was rocking. I was like, yo, what is that? Now I had to do my deep breaths and stuff. Like, ooh, I had to do my deep breath. I was the only one freaking out. That white lady, she was laughing at me because I was praying. I was praying out loud, so she was laughing. She also said, when we got off the plane, that white lady said, that was fun. That's what she was telling the other white lady. What the fuck, bitch? Fun? What you mean fun, bitch? We could have died. This bitch talking about that was fun. I got 2 children to get back to. Y'all hoes ain't scared of shit. Y'all be going rock climbing and everything. For real, they be going rock climbing and everything, bro. Oh, bitch. Okay, man. Okay, let me just put a little more water on there again. Okay. Oh, bitch. I went to a YouTube video and it said take a shower and then, like, let the shower, like, hit it. But, bitch, I ain't taking no shower. I'm not taking no fucking shower. I don't want to take a shower. Let me see. Let me look at the messages. I can't really see because I got an eyelash in my eye. Let me see. Hey, girl, you can just pull them off. Your lashes will be fine. I snatched this one off. It would hurt so fucking bad. I had to do like a little jump dance. Yeah, girl. Let me see. Water. You pull your lashes. Yeah, I'm pulling it. I'm just pulling them off. I'm like wetting it a little bit and pulling them. But I need help. I went to YouTube, but the bitch was talking for 3 minutes. So I was like, damn, I had to fast forward it. And she just was like, she said, take a shower and just let the shower water hit it. And then she said, put some oil on it. And then she said, do other stuff. Look, I don't got time for all that. I'm just going to have to grow some new eyelashes. I don't got time for all that, man. Okay, so I'm about to snatch them off in 3, 2, 1. Use water first. Yeah, I had put some water on here. Yeah, it is hurting, Brittany. When I had snatched this one off, and it was hurt. I don't know how to do this. Like, I started not to put no fucking eyelashes on. I don't know why I did that dumb shit. I told myself I'll never do that because I don't play around with my eyes. I don't. I do not play around with my fucking eyes. She said, would you like to put on lashes? I said, I ain't never put no lashes before. I said, I don't know what makeup, like 3 times she put makeup on my face. I said, never wore lashes before. I said, how you gonna put them on now? You just gonna put them on top of my real lashes? I didn't ask her how to take them off. I just asked her, like, how long do I keep them on? She said 24 hours, but I'm not finna keep them on that long because I feel like if I go to sleep, my eyes not gonna come back open. Oh, no, it shouldn't hurt. Good luck, sis. Thank you, Brittany. Thank you, Brittany. Let my ass. I keep putting water on it. Okay. It's gonna leave a bump on your eyelid. Yeah, I read it online. It said it's gonna have your eyes puffy, swollen, leave a bump. Oh, no, baby. See, I don't like being a girl. If I gotta do all that to be a girl, I don't want to do it. Then I had on heels today, y'all. Oh my God. After I took them off, my whole feet, both of my feet was numb. My feet and my legs was numb. And then, like, no, bitch. And then I got my freaking nails did, and the bitch cut me up on my finger. She cut me up all right here. Nope, I ain't doing it no more. Oh, man, okay. Okay, I'm finna snatch them off in 3, 2, 1. Because I gotta go eat. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. 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 I'm snatching them, y'all. Oh. Okay, come on. You see, it's pulling. She had put too much glue on right here. Oh my God, man. I'm never doing this shit again. Oof. I'm never getting makeup again. I'm never getting eyelashes again. Nails, none of that. This shit hurt, man. Oh my God. And y'all, I've been trying to take them off for like an hour and something. So. But with this one, I said, look, I snatched it off. This one is kind of hard to snatch it because she had ended up adding more glue to it, so. Oh, Lord, Jesus. Come on now, you can do this. You done had 2 children, so I know you can do this. You had 2 children. Okay. Y'all see how when I was trying to snatch it, it's just pulling, man. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put some more water on there. I'm gonna have to put some what you call it in my eye, man. Okay, let me see. Okay. I wonder what kind of glue she used because it shouldn't hurt to take them off. So sorry, girl. Girl, I don't know. I ain't never got lashes before. I didn't ask her what glue she used. It was some kind of white glue, though. Damn, man. Bro, why is it pulling so bad right here, man? I know she did add, like, extra glue. Oh, bitch! There we go. Throw these bitches away. Throw them away. I'm never doing this shit again, man. Never. I don't know why, but like my real eyelash is real short. It's real short. Real short. My 2-year-old eyelashes is bigger than mine. Like longer than mine. My 2-year-old got eyelashes like this. And I'm like, and then the eyebrows full. Same thing with my husband. He got long eyelashes and then eyebrows full. I guess because I had 2 children, you know, you have children, your hair started to fall out, your edges, eyebrows, eyelids, everything just fall out. Especially if you breastfeed. Oh my God. All your hair fall out then. Well, you ain't gonna fall out as long as you get your nutrients. You can't just like take nutrients and minerals just for you. You gotta take it for you and the baby. So that's how I end up losing all my lashes. So my lashes so short compared to the fake ones. Wow. It was real cute though. It was really cute. Because it was like long. Like how do I get my real ones to grow? Like I don't know, man. Brittany, girl. Thank you for helping me. Brittany and O'Reilly. Oh my God. I'm already like on edge because it was storming while we was on the plane. It was raining, it was lightning, thundering. And the plane was just like, damn, man. So y'all just be snatching them up off y'all eyes like that? Damn, man. Y'all some strong. It just let's stop. I should be snatching them off, huh? Okay, I am glad that I got them off though. Right here. Hey, they're cute. They're not that long though. Okay, go eat. After this, I'm finna rest for the rest of the night. I am tired, man. Tired ain't the word. I am so freaking tired, man. Ooh. So freaking tired. Oh. Oh. Y'all know what's crazy? Let me see. Is this? Oh, look at that balloon jet flow. Anyways. I wonder, is this live public? I hope not. What I'm about to say. Y'all, so let me say something. I'm gonna say something real quick and then I'm gonna get off the subject. Cause I don't want to get in trouble. But I'm just gonna say it, what am I gonna say? What was that? What's your name? Oh yeah. So Steve Harvey, what is she? His niece? I mean her, let me see, niece. What is it, niece or whatever? No, cousin, yeah. Steve Harvey cousin did my hair today. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say about that. But she told me, she was like, I'm Steve Harvey cousin. I'm like, really? But that's all I'm gonna speak on that. I'm just gonna say that part and that's it. Cause I ain't supposed to give no details or nothing, so. Cause I signed a little contract and now, if Larry knew I was saying this, he'll be like, you can't be talking about nothing of nothing. Yeah. That's messed up how you gotta sign a contract, basically. I don't know. Damn, you gotta wait till the damn season and the show come out before you just run your mouth. Damn, man. You know, I can't hold water, but I ain't gonna say nigga, I'm not finna breach my contract. So. All that I'm saying is Steve Harvey's cousin did my hair. Got a video of her and everything. I was like, really? That's your cousin? I was like, that's your cousin? I said, I don't love him. Like, I listen to his morning show. I watch Family Feud. I watch his shows and shit. Like, that's crazy. And she showed me a picture of their granddaddy. And she was like, this our granddaddy right here. He looked just like him. Like, oh my God, he looked just like him. She was like, yeah, this our granddaddy. He looked just like me and sound like. I said, I see him. That's crazy. That's a big accomplishment to have. I bet she tell everybody that. I bet everybody that sit in her chair, she just be like, I'm Steve Harvey's cousin. That's crazy that Steve Harvey's cousin did my hair. But on to the next subject. Because I'm not finna breach no contract. I'm not finna say nothing of nothing. Because I signed a contract. Child. What happened? Oh shit, I forgot about my damn food. Cold, man. Mm. I wanted it when it was fresh, man. Yeah, just bought it. I'm so pissed off. And the shit don't got no fucking cheese. And what the fuck is this? Like, why ain't got no cheese? And why is it so small? I'm gonna just use so much shit tomorrow. Food that chopped off and burnt. I think your guy put in salad.
Shit.
Larry,
What?
you don't hear me talking to you?
No.
I said, I know you hear me calling your name. I said, what you doing?
Running on a treadmill.
That was just. I said, clearly he's running. Why the fuck you went to the
What?
gym? We've been working
What?
all day.
I don't call that working out.
Huh?
I didn't sweat, so it ain't working out.
We've been for long day. You'll stay early morning.
Okay.
But I understand you ain't been to the gym in a little while. Boy, I'm finna go pick up your shit. You gone. You
What?
hear
I can't hear you, man.
me.
What?
I'm so used to doing a. I said I'm bored. I'm finna go pick up your
Go ahead.
shit.
Go ahead. Once you be complaining about them, I would think you would let them stay there.
Huh? Yeah, you right. You right.
Yeah, I know
I'm
I'm right.
gonna play the game.
All right.
They ain't put like cheese on it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
I'm
finna
about
start.
to end the live because this shit running my battery dead.
You better not get. Oh, he left. This shit nasty. It's nasty as fuck. And they didn't put no ketchup on there. Like they didn't put no ketchup or no cheese or nothing. Like what the fuck was that? That meat nasty in a fucking way. I don't too much like meat. I don't know why the fuck I said I done had a cheat day and cheated with the wrong damn thing. Like why the fuck did I eat that, man? Let me watch this. Mm-mm.